In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in the Airbnb app following the 2025 guidelines. If you're planning a trip and want to see everything in your preferred currency, this is the video for you. Let's make sure you're ready no matter where you're booking from. It's a straightforward process, so I'll guide you through each step to ensure there are no mix-ups. To begin, you'll want to start by opening the Airbnb app. Once you've got the app up and running, make sure you're logged into your Airbnb account. If you aren't, go ahead and log in now. Once inside, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the app. Here, you'll see a profile icon, which is your gateway to all your personal settings. Give that a tap, and you'll find yourself in your profile section. Now, in this profile area, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you come across the account settings option. It's typically located about midway on the page, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Once you've found it, tap on it to proceed. Account settings is where you control a variety of aspects of your Airbnb experience, making it a critical area to be familiar with. Moving on within the account settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Payments. This is the section that handles all financial aspects related to your Airbnb account, including currency preferences. The Payments option should be easily visible in the middle of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're in the Payments section, take a quick glance towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your currently selected currency displayed. Tap on this and a comprehensive list of available currencies will appear. Here comes the fun part, browsing through the array of currencies at your disposal. Whether you're looking for dollars, euros, yen, pesos, or any other currency, you can simply scroll through and find the one that suits your needs. Once you've found your preferred currency, a quick tap will lock in your choice, and the app will immediately update to reflect your selection. Occasionally, you might notice that the currency doesn't refresh straight away. But don't worry, as there's an easy fix for this. Try switching between different tabs within the app, for instance, by opening the Experiences tab and then going back to Homes. Alternatively, closing and restarting the app can often do the trick as well. And there you have it. Changing your currency in the Airbnb app is as simple as that when you know exactly where to go. We've covered everything you need, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If it did the trick for you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and, of course, hit the notification bell for more quick Airbnb tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.